Welcome to a Mastering the Marketplace video. This video is designed to help you get your offer onto the Microsoft Marketplace as quickly and easily as possible. You can find videos, hands-on labs, and example code at this URL, aka.ms/mastering the marketplace.
I'm Emer Burke, and I'm here to talk about the Cloud Solution Provider Program, or CSP, Private Offer Overview. Let's talk about how CSP private offers work and some more details on CSP private offers. Okay, how do CSP private offers work? ISVs publish transactable offers into Microsoft's commercial marketplace. Those offers have multiple plans, for instance, bronze, silver, and gold. To create a CSP private offer, an ISV must have a public transactable offer available in the marketplace. So in this scenario, an ISV will create a CSP private offer, and they can choose to apply that private offer at the offer level, which will include all three of those plans. In this scenario, the ISV is creating a CSP private offer and applying it to a single plan, the bronze plan. They can apply either a percentage discount or define an absolute price or a custom price for a CSP partner. In this scenario, the ISV is setting up their private offer, providing a margin to a specific CSP partner. For that CSP partner, they are offering that margin for sales to all of their customers. Other things to note here, when we're talking about CSP partners, we're really talking about direct bill CSP partners and indirect provider partners. Direct bill CSP partners are partners who purchase directly from Microsoft and sell directly to end customers. And indirect providers are partners who purchase from Microsoft, sell through a network of indirect resellers who sell to customers. ISVs can create private offers for direct bill CSP partners and indirect provider partners. To provide a margin to an indirect reseller, that indirect reseller would need to work with their indirect provider to agree on the margin to be passed through. In the next scenario, an ISV can create private offers and give multiple CSP partners the same margin for selling to all or individual customers. The previous example, the ISV set up a private offer for a single CSP partner for all of their customers. In this scenario, ISV sets up a CSP private offer. They choose a single plan. They either create a percentage discount or a custom price for the CSP partners. And for this private offer, they're applying that margin for three separate CSP partners. For CSP partner 1, they're applying that for all sales to all customers. For CSP partner 2, they've chosen a specific customer. If that CSP partner sells to that specific customer, they will receive a margin. And for CSP partner 3, they've chosen 3 specific customers. So that CSP partner will only receive the margin if they sell to those 3 specific customers. This is just highlighting the multiple ways ISVs can create CSP private offers. And this scenario is showing that a single private offer can combine plans from different offer types. In this scenario, an ISV has 2 published transactable offers in our marketplace. One is a virtual machine offer, the other is a SaaS offer. They have 2 different plans each. And the ISV is creating a CSP private offer and choosing one plan from one offer and a different plan from a different offer and bundling those together in one private offer. Then they are applying it to 3 different CSP partners, either to all of their customers or to specific customers. So again, just highlighting there are multiple ways to set up private offers. You can set up a private offer for an individual CSP partner, for an individual customer of that CSP partner. You can set it up for multiple CSP partners. There's many ways to configure private offers. Okay, so let's go through the private offer flow. There are 2 personas here. One is the ISV, so the upper portion of this flow, and then the lower portion is the CSP. Let's talk about the upper portion. The ISV within Partner Center will create a CSP private offer. There they will define the terms, so the start and end date for that margin. They will choose which offers or plans they wish to apply the margin for. They will choose whether it's percentage discount or absolute pricing, and then they will choose which CSP partners to apply that margin for. Again, this could be individual CSP partners or multiple CSP partners, and it could be for all or individual customers. Once configured, that ISV will submit the private offer, and once it's submitted, it's now visible for the CSP partner. So now in the lower portion of this flow, our CSP partners can view all margins extended to them by ISVs in Partner Center. There's a new margins area there. They can see it in the user interface, or they can leverage APIs to get the details of those margins. Once the CSP agrees to purchase the public offer those margins have been applied to, the CSP can purchase those offers either through Partner Center for SaaS offer types, or for virtual machines or Azure applications, they can do so in the Azure portal. At the end of the month, when those CSP partners receive their bill, they'll see that the transactions that have private offer associated to them, they receive a margin for those. They will receive their reconciliation file, which will detail the transactions and which ones have private offers. When Microsoft pays out to the ISV, Microsoft calculates our 3% agency fee on the price after margin has been applied. CSP partners will set the price for the offer and bill and invoice their customers outside of the commercial marketplace, as they do today for our first-party products. So let's go through some details on CSP private offers. What do we use CSP private offers for? It's really for extending a margin to CSP partners for selling ISV offers to their customers. ISVs can set time-bound discounts and set an expiration date for that discount. So during the period of the private offer, if a CSP transacts your offer for their customer, they will receive a margin. CSP partners can configure private offers in multiple different ways. They can add multiple offers or plans to a private offer, or individual offers or plans to a private offer. They can also add individual or multiple CSP partners, as we saw in the examples, and they can apply it at the customer level. ISVs can extend either a percentage discount of the public price for those plans, or they can override the price with some custom pricing for CSP partners. They can extend a margin for sales to individual customers or all customers of the CSP partner. CSP private offers are published within 15 minutes. And CSP partners continue to own the customer lifecycle. They will set the price for the offer. They will bill the customer outside of our marketplace, as they do today for first-party products. To summarize, what we went through today was how CSP private offers work and some more details on CSP private offers. Thank you. For more videos or sample code, go to aka.ms Mastering the Marketplace.
Thank you for joining us for another video from Mastering the Marketplace, the learning library where technologists go to get their offer on the Microsoft Marketplace. For more videos, hands-on labs, and sample code, find us at aka.ms